Having trouble with your Windows 11 desktop icons not showing up? No need to worry. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing that issue. So let's jump right into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Unhide desktop icons. To do this, right-click on the empty space on your desktop. Then hover over View and click on Show Desktop Icons. If your icons were hidden, they will come back now. Solution 2. Manually add icons to the desktop. First, right-click on the desktop. Then click on Personalize from the context menu. Next, click on Themes. After that, click on Desktop Icon Settings. And this window will pop up. From here, you can add these icons to the desktop. For example, if you want to add the This PC icon, check the box next to the word Computer. Then click on Apply and then on OK. Lastly, close Settings and go back to the desktop. And you'll find the This PC icon here. Solution 3. Restart Windows Explorer. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the pop-up menu. Now in the search box, type in Windows Explorer. Then right-click on Windows Explorer Process and select Restart from the context menu. After it's restarted, you should find all the icons on your desktop. So that's about it, guys. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. And if you're still facing the issue, leave a comment and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching.